Welcome back to part 2 of our training series on the English Flow channel. If you're new here, this episode stands alone, but you'll get extra value if you also watch part 1, where we set the basics: shadowing, phrase warm-ups, thinking in English, and tiny daily practice.
Today we'll put those ideas into action with a guided routine. Remember, we are aiming for clarity and flow, not perfection.
Let's begin with a quick vocal wake-up. Repeat after me, softly, 3 times. I'm ready. Now a little stronger. I'm ready. And with a smile. I'm ready. Feel how the meaning changes with your voice.
Great. Next, a rhythm drill. Echo this short line. Good morning. How are you today? Keep the beat steady. Now try, I'm doing well, thank you. If you miss a word, keep the rhythm. The music of English is part of your communication.
Now a mini shadowing segment. Follow a breath behind, like a gentle echo. Hello, thanks for being here. Today we practice simple English. Stay relaxed, keep breathing, and enjoy the process.
Excellent. Shadowing trains listening and speaking at once. Your mouth memorizes patterns while your ear guides timing.
Time for the phrase workout. We'll build from simple to slightly longer. A repeat. Excuse me, could you help me? I'd like a coffee, please. That sounds great. Now connect 2 lines. I'm free this afternoon. Let's meet at the cafe.
Add emotion. Say the same lines curious, calm, and confident. Emotion shapes the music of your speech and makes you sound more natural.
Let's practice describing daily actions. Speak with me. I'm opening the window. Fresh air feels nice. I'm making a list for the store. I need bread and fruit. These small sentences give your mouth quick wins and keep your thoughts in English.
Now a short role play. I'll be a barista. You're the customer. I say, "Hi there, what can I get for you?" You answer, "Hi, I'd like a small latte, please." I reply, "Anything else?" You say, "That's all, thank you." I respond, "Great, your order will be ready soon."
Role play blends sound, meaning, and action. You're practicing real situations. Try the same mini scene with a friend or record yourself and listen back.
Let's do a thinking drill to reduce translation. I'll name an object. You think or whisper the English word. Ready? Phone, table, keys, water, jacket. Now put 2 together in a short phrase. Phone on table. Then stretch. My phone is on the table.
Good. If you feel stuck, choose simpler lines. The aim is direct thinking, not perfect grammar. Your brain will catch up as your mouth keeps moving.
Here's a gentle pronunciation focus. Repeat. Time. Fine. Line. Feel the long vowel. Now, sit, bit, it. That's a shorter vowel. Just notice the mouth shape and the length of the sound.
Let's connect pronunciation to rhythm with short pairs. I'm late. I'm ready. Let's start. Sounds good. Try the pairs again a little faster, then slower, then normal.
Great work. Our golden rule is tiny daily practice. 5 minutes of focused speaking every day beats rare long sessions.
To help you stay consistent, attach practice to a habit you already have. For example, right after brushing your teeth, speak 3 lines. After making breakfast, shadow for 2 minutes. Before you sleep, describe your day in 5 short sentences.
That kind of habit stacking removes friction. You connect a small practice to something you do anyway.
A quick confidence reset. Your accent is part of your identity. Aim for clear speech, not perfect imitation. Listeners care most about your ideas and your kindness. Clarity grows with practice. Courage grows when you use your voice.
Before we end, let's run a short combined routine. Shadow this message with me. Thank you for practicing with us. Keep your voice warm and relaxed. Small steps every day create real progress.
Now add the phrase set. I'm ready. Let's do this. Thank you. Could you help me? That sounds great. Then the action lines. I'm making tea. I'm writing a note. I'm closing the door. Finish with a smile and say, see you soon.
Beautiful. If this session helped you, you will love part 3. We'll bring everything together with a longer guided conversation, a simple storytelling exercise, and a mini plan you can follow for the next month.
So make sure you subscribe to the English Flow channel and continue with part 3. Bring your voice, your curiosity, and your 2 minutes of daily courage. We'll be right there to guide you. Remember, this journey is gentle and steady. Keep the rhythm, keep the smile, and trust that your practice is working even when progress feels small.
We're excited to keep training with you. Take a sip of water, relax your shoulders, and get ready for the next chapter in part 3.